The all-new Honda Insight hybrid sedan has the best fuel economy of any new car we've tested that doesn't come with a plug. But the only place you'll notice a difference between the Insight and other compact sedans is at the gas pump. That's because it lacks any funky fuel-saving styling that lets other drivers know it's a hybrid. It's based on the current Honda Civic, and it shares most of the same design attributes. Despite its frugality and unassuming looks, the Insight has a few significant issues that keep us from recommending it over the more unusual-looking Prius, including unpleasant engine noise, an uncomfortable driver's seat, and some odd interior design choices. At first, the Insight feels like a solid, well-mannered compact sedan, and that's particularly true in around-town driving. Drivers get a good initial punch of off-the-line acceleration from the Insight's electric drive system, too, which is typical of hybrids. There are some other frustrations, too. The Insight gets Honda's push-button gear selector, which we found cumbersome to use and requires more attention than a shifter should require. The EX trim's 8-inch touchscreen infotainment hub has a rotary volume knob, which we appreciate, and it also does a good job integrating Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Insight is so low to the ground that it feels like a spelunking adventure just to get in or out. The driver's seat lacks sufficient lower back support, too. Honda did a good job hiding the Insight's battery. It doesn't intrude into the trunk or rear seat, and the rear seats fold down. The Honda Sensing suite of advanced safety features comes standard. It includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. However, the Insight lacks a blind spot warning system. Instead, the EX and Touring trims get the Honda Lane Watch system, which displays a video image of the right side of the vehicle in the center console whenever the driver activates the right-hand turn signal. The Insight is also affordable with a starting price of just over $19,000. Our Touring model came well-equipped and cost $28,090. For more about fuel-efficient cars and hybrids, check out consumerreports.org.